Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I would like to talk about the random orbit sender from Skil, which arrived into our workshop a couple of days ago, and I want to tell you something more about it, show you how the tool look like, how much it is, what you can expect from the tool and all that stuff. So stay tuned and we're gonna look inside the box and see what you get for what you pay. So it's 260 watt of the random orbit sender from Skil, coming in box like that. It's a 3 years warranty. It's 125 centimeters wide disc or 5 inch, what do you want. And the box includes this beautiful sender, dust pot or whatever you want to call, your manual for the sender, and some sending discs. What I really like on this sender is this dust pot, which is very nice built. You can see when the dust pot is full or no, which is very nice. The sender on its own is very nice built, rubber grip, on and on button on the front, which is very nice when you're working. You just have it here nicely. You have the speed regulator on the back of the handle, which is very cool as well. On and on, this sender looks to me very good. Nice weight to it, very nice. Yeah, so let's see, we're gonna test it out now. How much dust we can collect through the sanding, if it's really worked the spot, and yeah, let's do it. So lots of times I'm working with reclaimed wood. So my goal is keeping the patina or whatever you want, the aging on the wood, so I do only light sanding. So we're gonna use 120 grip sandpaper. We're gonna match the holes on the sanding disc with the holes on the sander, like that. The dust pot is very easy to apply on or put it on. Just put it on like that. That's it. The regulator, we're gonna put it on number 1. We're gonna see how it's gonna go and just put it on. Pretty good. Now we're gonna try to on the wood, so we're gonna put it on the wood and start on the number 1, and we're gonna go up on the speed. It has 6 speeds, so we're gonna go all through them. Now you can see it's leaving a nice drop. Now we'll see how is it with the dust. It's easy to open the dust pot. It's just 2 clips. Slide it up. You see it's collect most of the dust, which is very good. Slide back, clip it back, slide it back on the sander, ready to go again. Overall, what I like on this sander is the grip of the sander. It's go nice in your hand, the palm of your hand, very nice. Through the work, the vibration, thanks to the rubber handle, is not that aggressive on your hand, like if you take other brands of the sanders, they are very vibrating in your hands. This one, you can't even feel the vibration in your hand, which is very good, and it's very powerful sander, which is good as well. Another thing what I like on this sander is, how I already said, on and on button on the front. You'll be surprised, this sander is DIY use, in the range of DIY sanders. They selling them in UK, they are £45 in B&Q stores, which is pretty good price for sander like that. I think this sander is on level of DeWalt, Milwaukee and this brand. For £45 you cannot go wrong. You have 3 years warranty on them, which is very good as well. So yeah, my opinion on this sander is I love it, and I will keep it using them every day now. So yeah, I will let you know when I'm gonna have more play with it, but for now it's 100% worth the money. So stay tuned and see you next time.